Our new Multimate Mark V paper briquette press, making briquettes 120mm by 120mm, and 200mm deep. Available from our shop, from April. Priced at €160 plus postage. Are you looking for an eco-friendly way to heat your home this winter? Look no further than our DIY range of Multimate paper briquette presses. This simple tool allows you to recycle old newspapers and cardboard into compact fuel briquettes that burn efficiently and cleanly. To make your own paper briquettes, start by tearing up your paper waste into small pieces. Soak the paper in water for a few hours to soften it. Next, fill the briquette maker with the wet paper pulp and compress it using the handle. Let the briquette dry for a few days, and you'll have a perfect eco-friendly fuel source for your fireplace or wood stove. Not only does this save you money on heating costs, but it also helps reduce waste in landfills. Try making your own paper briquettes today and enjoy a warm, guilt-free winter.